Hi students, numerical problem number 4. Jupiter is at a distance of 824.7 million kilometer from the Earth. Its angular diameter is measured to be 35.72 seconds. Okay, it is seconds. 2 prime means second. Calculate the diameter of Jupiter. So here first of all, what are all the different given information we have to write? In this picture we can see that we are measuring the distance of Jupiter from being at one point on the Earth. So from the left end of Jupiter we receive the light, and from the right end also we receive the light. So that we measure the parallax angle theta, and this angle only is called as what? Angular diameter. Understand? So its angular diameter is 35.72. So theta is equal to 35.72 seconds. So this 2 prime means seconds. Then what else is given? The distance of Jupiter, that is x. So x is equal to, x is now equal to 824.7 million kilometers given, is it not? 1 million is 10 power 6. So this is into 10 power 6 is 1 million. Then kilometer. If you convert this into meter, then once again you have to multiply by 10 power 3 also. But now let us find the distance in kilometer itself. Okay. Now my dear students, you must know that 1 double prime means what? 1 second. This is equal to 1/60th of a minute. 1/60th of a minute. And this is once again equal to 1/60th into 1/60th of a degree. Is it not? 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes, and 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Is it not? The reverse we are doing. 1 second is equal to 1/60th of a minute. So that is 1/60 into 1/60 degree. So this is now equal to 1 second is equal to 1 divided by 60 into 60 is 3600. Okay, this is in degree. But what is the SI unit of angle? SI unit of angle is radian. Is it not? Okay, pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Is it not? Therefore, 1 degree. So 1 degree is pi divided by 180. So this is now equal to, this is also equal to 1 minute is now equal to 1/3600 into pi divided by 180. Now the SI unit is radian. Understand? This is in SI system. Therefore here theta is given in seconds, is it not? Therefore theta is now equal to 35.72. So 35.72. This is in seconds. So this is equal to 35.72. 1 second is converted in radian, is it not? So I have to do the multiplication. So into 1 divided by 3600 into pi. Pi is what? 3.14 divided by 180. Now it will come in radian. So this is found to be, if you multiply by using the calculator, it must be 4.85 into 10 to the power of -6 radian. Okay. So now I have converted this parallax angle or angular diameter theta from seconds to radian. This conversion you have to remember. Okay, children. Okay, now what is the relationship between this dx and theta? This diameter d is equal to x into theta, is it not? We have to multiply by the two quantities. So here diameter d is equal to theta into x. So in place of theta, now the SI unit we can substitute 4.85. Okay, 4.85 into 10 power minus 6 into, what's the value of x is 824.824. Okay, 824.7 into 10 power 6 in kilometer. Now calculation has become easy. Here 10 power plus 6 is there, here minus 6 is there, we can cancel. So this minus 6 and 10 power 6 get cancelled. So this product 4.85 into 824.7. So this must be 1.428, okay, into 10 to the power of 5 kilometer. This will be the product. If you multiply these two, it must be equal to 1.428 into 10 power 5 kilometer. Suppose if you want to express this in meter, means this is also equal to 1.428 into 10 to the power of 5 into 1 kilometer is 10 power 3 meter. So this is also 1.428 into 10 power 8 meter. So in both the units I have expressed in kilometer and also in meter. I hope you must have understood this well. Fine.